In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an app on Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from the home page into your workspace and preview your app with clear tips to avoid common hiccups along the way. Start by heading to the Base44 website in a modern browser. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the app builder resources are available. On the home page, look for the Start Building button. Click it to jump straight into the platform's app environment. This takes you toward your workspace where you'll set up and manage what you create. Next, you'll be prompted to either sign up or log in. If you're new to the platform, choose Sign Up to create your account. It's a quick, guided process. If you already have an account, select Login. On the login screen, pick Login with Google for the fastest, most seamless authentication. Follow the prompts to confirm your account and make sure you're using the correct profile if you manage multiple Google accounts. If your browser asks to open a new window for authentication, allow it and then return to the app when the sign-in completes. Once you're in, use the search field in the workspace and type in Highlight. This helps you quickly locate the relevant template, app, or resource named Highlight inside Base44. Double-check your spelling and watch for search filters that might narrow or expand the results. Selecting the right item here makes it easier to move directly into editing rather than starting from a blank canvas. After opening the item you need, navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub. It's where you'll see your app structure, manage pages and data, and access design controls. Take a moment to scan the layout so you know where key sections live, such as navigation, components, and settings. A quick orientation here saves time later, especially as your app grows. When you're ready to see your work in action, click Preview. Preview opens a live, interactive view of your app, so you can test how screens render and respond. Try clicking through the primary flows. Confirm that text and images appear correctly, and note any spacing or responsiveness issues. If something looks off, return to the dashboard, make your adjustments, and preview again. This loop is the safest way to refine without publishing changes. And that's it. You visited Base44, started building, signed in, searched for Highlight, moved into the dashboard, and previewed your app. Follow these steps each time you spin up a new project to keep your workflow organized and efficient.